Good morning, 早安. Welcome to Morning Mandarin. Today let's talk about personal pronouns. From I love you, 我爱你, we already know I or me. 我 you, 你 For he or she, they are 他 and 她. They're two distinct characters, but they have the same pronunciation. 他 In English, he and she are used as subjects. Him and her are objects. However, in Mandarin, there's no form change between subject and objects. So no matter when you want to say he or him, she or her, it's all 他. He likes her. 他喜欢她. She likes him. 她喜欢他. There is another 他. This 他 refers to things that are not human, like objects or animals. 他叫 Mocha. 他叫 Mocha. Men is an adjunct pronoun indicating plural. Put it after the personal pronouns. Then you know it's more than one person. 我 们 你 们 他 们 们 When they're both boys and girls in a group of people, or you don't know the gender of them, use the male form, 他们 Since 你好 can only be used to greet one person, hello for over one person is 你们好 你们好 你们好，我叫 Jeff， 他叫皮皮，他叫 Jojo， 他们喜欢吃披萨。你们好，我叫 Jeff， 他叫皮皮，他叫 Jojo， 他们喜欢吃披萨。Little extra knowledge. This character is called 人, meaning person, man or mankind. Men can also change 人 into plural. 人 person, 人们 people. 人 serves as a radical, which is a part of a character. 你 他 and 们 all have this radical 人. Sometimes you can guess the meaning of a character if you recognize its radical. Even if you don't know this character, you can still infer that they have something to do with man or people. The character 女 means female, so 她 has it as a radical. When you see characters with this radical 女, they should be related to female. Let's review. 我 们 你 们 他 们 他们 人 们 That's all for today. Want to suggest a topic for me? Leave a comment below. See you next Tuesday.